What's going on, guys? How's everybody's day going? I hope it's going well. Today we're actually going to be taking off the front bumper so I can get this goddamn thing off, because from the factory I guess it came with a front license plate bracket and I don't like it. It's ugly and I'm never going to use it. My state doesn't require it, and yeah, it's just kind of like a hideous thing that's sitting on the front of my car. I am not too sure about what it's going to look like after, due to the fact that there's probably going to be 2 holes in my bumper, but maybe I'll order another front bumper grill so that I could just replace the whole grill completely, and then I guess I could make that another video of me replacing that. But I guess let's get into it. Pop the hood. As you can see right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10mm bolts, and then we got these pop clips that you can get under with a screwdriver, flathead. So let's get the 10mm, and then let's get the flathead so we can pop these puppies out. Find the 10mm bolt. This isn't gonna be easy, guys. Oh shit. That's too small. That actually smells good. Take the screwdriver because we'll need that. Alright, so what you're going to need to actually take off the front bumper is going to be a 10mm. I don't have an actual socket wrench or whatever, so I just grabbed this because you only need to take off 5 bolts up here, and then you're going to need a flathead and then a Phillips for this side. Let's start by taking off the bolts. Alright. What we'll do next is take out these pop clips right here. One. Be gentle on these. They kind of just, once you get it under, if you pop it up just a bit, like, they just kind of come out. These are like little, so I got like a small little Phillips head, and you just gotta pop them out like that. You just do about a half turn and it'll kind of pop out. And then there's one right here. Alright, so we're going to do the same for Z side. Alright, so after you get the pop clips out from both sides, you're going to want to get the pop clips out from under the bumper. There's 8 of them. Now, we just got to pop these puppies out. So what you're going to want to do is get a flathead, and there's going to be 2 little holes back here. And you're going to want to push it through that second hole and pry out the metal clip. And then pop clip. Pop clip. Jesus, I'm a little sweaty after all that. It's the first time my car's bumper's ever been taken off, so these damn pop clips took me a minute. I think we might be able to take off this damn bumper. And there she is. So we got the bumper off, and now, as you can see, I gotta take this off and it's attached. by these dumb clips. So basically it doesn't allow for it to scroll. I'm gonna have to get some vice grips, hold the little washers so that it doesn't spin, so it'll actually spin the bolt out. It wouldn't allow me to do it without getting the bumper off. Alright, there's one. Vice grip is the key to success on this. Let me get the other one real quick. Alright guys, so I finally put the bumper back on, and I'm going to just show you guys the results. I don't really like that there's 2 holes in the bumper, but you know, it's going to have to do for now until I order that grill from Subaru and it comes in. But it's looking a whole lot better than when it had the front license plate bracket, so I think that, you know, it's going to have to do for now. It took me a lot longer to put on that front bumper, but you know, it is what it is. I guess you do it a few times, then it gets easier and easier, right? But I guess that's gonna close out this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. And I just want to give a shout out to all the people that watched the last 2 videos of mine. I think we have over 1,000 views on one, and we're getting close to 1,000 on the other one. So I really appreciate it. For having 5 videos up, it's kind of crazy, you know? You guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.